Hello, how are you doing? Are you tired of paying outrageous cell phone bills? Were you looking for the perfect place to get all the new phone accessories for your iPhone, Samsung, or any other model smartphone you own? Did you drop your iPhone and the screen cracked or is smashed? Is your power button stuck or just not working at all? Tired of your phone battery not holding a charge? Then come see us. Did you know there is a top-rated iPhone repair service right in Newark, Delaware? Did you know Facebook and Google has only top reviews for that shop? That shop also not only fixes all models of iPhones, Samsungs, and you name it phones, but he offers new phone services too from the top phone companies around. That's right. And they are located right in your neighborhood on Marrows Road, you know, by all the shopping areas like Family Dollar and Walgreens. They are right across the street from them, and the address is 50 Marrows Road, Newark, Delaware, and their phone number is 302-368-4183. Come inside and you will find all the latest accessories, Bluetooth speakers, cases, adapters, chargers, or get your broken phone fixed while you wait. Let's just take a peek inside. Wow, is that the new Xfinity Internet prepaid starter kit that even comes with a free modem? And it will only cost you $80 to start for the first month, then is only $45 every month after, and remember, there's no contract, you can stop anytime you want to. That's cheaper than you probably pay now. And look at all the new phones they got on display for sale. Wow, they even got the new Bluetooth sunglasses. I heard that thing is just crazy. It has plenty of options and it works with all Android and iPhones. Just some of the features are: polarized UV protection Bluetooth sunglasses, enjoy music and calls in the sun with the polarized lens, protecting your eyes and eyesight. They're easy to use. One, long press the middle button for about 8 to 10 seconds until the red light alternate with the blue light, means the pairing status. 2, turn on your Bluetooth device and connect it, then the light would stops flashing. Hands-free calls, steady signal and built-in microphone allows you enjoy the convenience of wireless communication. Hands-free calls when you are driving, mountain climbing or riding a bicycle. Widely compatible, Bluetooth 4.1 plus EDR. Compatible with most Bluetooth device, iPhone, Samsung, HTC, Sony, Moto. It can pair with devices up to 10 meters away, without obstacle. They really do have all the phones you can possibly want. Just look at all the accessories and phones Marrows Wireless has on display. And check out just one of the phone services they offer. Boost Mobile has great phone plans. You know, Boost Mobile is blowing up with some of the industry's most competitive phone plans there is, and they really got some hot phones to choose from too, and not to mention they offer unlimited talk, text, and internet service. I mean, just look at the phones they got. This LG X Power right here looks good, and unlimited talk and text. It got all the features of an iPhone 6 or a Samsung 6. Oh yeah, and don't forget about the unlimited data plans. What more could you want? So come on down and check out our store. We got plenty of options you can choose from, whether new service or getting your phone fixed, we can help you. I almost forgot to mention, we did a little remodeling inside the store, and the store is looking kind of great inside now, so come check it out. We also carry all the latest hookah accessories, and we even rent U-Haul trucks if you need it. So as you see, we have almost everything you could ever need. Hey, but that's my opinion, come check it out for yourself. Oh yeah, don't forget to check out our Facebook page because we will be announcing a great contest coming up real soon with some awesome prizes. I'm not gonna spoil the surprise, but we will have some great prizes that you'll just love to win. So don't forget to check in on our page and like, share our latest post and tell a friend and your family about us. And don't worry, we will treat your family and friends like they are our family and friends. We're good like that, we love giving our customers great value and the best we have to offer for their money. So stop by and get your iPhone or any other small electronics fixed, or even come get new phone service. We got plenty to choose from like Boost Mobile, Net 10, H20, Simple Mobile, Go Smart, and Page Plus. And the good thing about all of them is they all have great plans that start around $45. So see you soon, and we are located at 50 Marrows Road Northeast, Newark, Delaware 19713. Our phone number is 302-368-4183. We are open 7 days a week, Monday to Saturday 9 to 9 and Sunday 9 to 7. Goodbye.